What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media, back with another video. So today we just got some LED lights in, and if you guys saw, one of the first few mods I did to my car on the ralliart was replacing all the interior bulbs to LEDs. Now we have more LED bulbs, so what that means is we should be able to go around and replace some of the LED bulbs on the outside of the car. So first things first, we're going to replace the license plate bulbs. As you guys can tell, they are still yellow and halogen. Do not like that. So let's get to swapping that out to LEDs. Alright, so first things first, right here you have the housing for the bulb. You want to go ahead and push it, slide it. You don't need any tools. All I did was push it to the right. It pretty much slides right out like that. And you want to go ahead and unclip it. Take this out, which will reveal the halogen bulb. I'll recommend unclipping this guy right here. So just push, disconnect. And next thing you want to do is this thing. Like I said, this is just a housing. You can either push it here or here. What I did was I used a flat tip screwdriver. Went ahead and pry it so that you get it nice and loose. And there you go. That reveals your halogen bulb. And to remove it, just like so, just pull it right out. Pack of LEDs. Let's go ahead and insert it. So just like how you took it out, same way it goes right in. And same thing, you're gonna go ahead and get it nice and snug. So now that that's done, go ahead and clip it back here just so you have your power source. Okay, and one thing I like to do is we're gonna slide it, put it back inside. We're gonna test it out, make sure this works. Oh, and if your LED light doesn't light up, what I recommend doing is just take it out, flip it the other way around, and try it again. Alright, so just like how you took it out, you're gonna go ahead and feed it back in. So if you notice right here, you see this little clip. So what you're gonna do is feed it leftwards and slide it right back. So just do it like so. And again, this is not held in by any clips, so just push it in. And yeah, everything's nice and snug. So one side done, let's go ahead and show you guys halogen versus LED before I do the other side. And there you go, halogen, which is yellowish in color, versus the new LEDs, nice bright crisp white. So right now let's go ahead and do the other side and see how it looks. And bam, there we have it, all done. We have the license plate bulbs, nice, bright, and white. On camera might look a little bluish, but yes, LED lights, definitely recommend it. At night you'll be able to see the license plate much clearer. I've actually done this similar video on my Mitsubishi Lancer GT years ago, and ironically it's one of the few videos that got a lot of views. So I hope you guys like it. Super easy DIY, pretty much the same process for any car. Again, if you stay to the end, make sure to leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.